Because the Chico will pop all the balloons.
Okay. Show me what you're wearing today. Wow.
This one.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you feel?
But how about my papa?
When we come back, we will start giving your presents, okay?
Okay.
What? And auntie, what?
Give you the other one.
Hello, Mom.
Hello, Mom.
I'm going.
Auntie, did you wrap it?
Bye-bye,
You wrap later.
Bye, Mom.
Is it the book? Chico.
Bye.
Bye.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
Sam.
Kahil. Alright. Bye, Ate Cassie. Welcome back.
Mommy, that was from the floor.
It's okay.
People stop.
It's okay. Ayan, papunta na kami sa aming picture. Alright, maayong udto everyone. Maayong udto Jensen! Baka nagtataka kayo at ay plansyado ang aking bangs ngayon dahil kami ay pupunta para magpa-family portrait. So, siksikan kami. Siksikan kami sa sasakyan ng aking kapatid. Ayan, ang ganda ng kanyang dress. Okay ba yan? Wala, sure. Mine and yours.
Sa bagong open.
Nice. Mine and yours. Okay, guys. Ang ganda ng mga dresses nila. This is apricot blush of 2024.
For sale na ito, guys.
Oh, na, mine. Mine. Ayan na sila, mama, sila. Auntie, say hi. Hi. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to
Happy
everyone.
birthday, Auntie. Yes. Happy birthday, Kulot. Chico, where's Chico?
Wala na
Chico.
nabilin.
Present. Oh, present daw. So, ngayon, pupunta kami sa Dreamlight Photo Studio. Doon kami kukuha ng aming family portrait. And as you can see, we are wearing the color of 2024. Sabi nila, guys, ang kulay daw ng 2024 is sage green. Hindi ko lang alam kung sage ba yan o sage. Bahala na kayo. Basta green ang alam ko, guys. Oh. So, eto ang aking suot. Mala mosquito net. Hindi talaga tayo lalamukin. Kahil is also wearing the same shade. Auntie is also wearing the same shade. And Chico and Kulot are wearing the apricot shade. Para kasabayan. Alright. So far so good, guys. Kahit basa na yung mga ilok namin dito. Kasi mga last minute preparation. Ang bilis-bilis ng oras. Pero okay lang. So far so good. At papunta na kami. So yeah. Let's go. Samahan nyo kami for... Samahan nyo kami for our 2023 family portrait experience vlog. Yahoo! Let's go. Alright, so kinabahan ako ng bongga, guys, kasi wala akong na-impacking extra shorts ni Chico. Ngayong umaga ko lang nakita nawawala yung kanyang bagong shorts na partner ng kanyang polo. Ito yung mga challenge, no, na minsan nangyayari on the day pag meron pa talaga tayong mga importanteng event. So, at least nagkaroon ako ng time, nakakuha ako ng shorts niya at bumagay naman. Syempre, kaya goods pa rin tayo. Pero kita nyo, guys, ang isang earrings ko dito wala. Dito sa kabila meron. Pero tuloy ang buhay. Ayan, dito, kita nyo. Bigay nga pala sa akin to, regalo to sa akin ni Ate Lovely Maritas in Japan official. Syempre, maraming salamat te sa iyong gift. I really love it kasi sobrang simple niya lang. Pero nahulog yung lock ng isa, kaya hanapan ko muna ng lock. Other than that, I think okay lang. Basta ang sabi nung studio, pwede mag-change 2 beses. Pero isang beses lang, guys. Na-stress na nga ako sa isang pares ng damit eh. Magdalawa-dalawa pa. So, okay na tayo. Malapit na tayo. Doon dapat on time. Sa lahat nga pala nang sa-celebrate ng Pasko, Merry Christmas, guys. Sana lahat kayo ay okay, well, healthy, and happy ngayong Pasko. Sana kasama ninyo ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Sa mga OFW na hindi nakaka-uwi, hug sa inyo, guys. It's okay. Laban kaban. Magiging okay din ang lahat. Ang importante ay healthy kayong mga OFW. Healthy mentally, physically, socially, financially, spiritually, and all other aspects of life. Ayan. Maraming salamat once again, you guys. And wag nyo kaming iiwan sa episode na to.
A few moments later.
Come we go. Let's go inside. Asang Dreamlight, gang? Dreamlight. Asa? Tere? Alright. Nandito na tayo, guys. tutok ang panahon. Sana nasa mood ang mga bata. At ang aking long gown ay naging pamunas. Follow Lola Love. Ready na si Chico, oh. Kahil kang. Something in your head. Alright. Kahil kang. So, kami na guys, nasa-kompleto na yung family ko. The family of apat at ako. Ayan. Kami na muna. Naku, sir, makaiwan. Mika, very good. Mika. Chico, come. Walang yakuan. Tatlo ka bata.
Sige po.
Lola lang. Ang lipstick ni Pre. Nana ko. Wala. Hindi, okay na na eh. Wow. Chico, we are taking photos and then I give your gifts. Remember? Monster, ha?
Calvin.
Very good.
Calvin.
Chico, how about Chico? Mami na, bye-bye. We go.
Chico.
Sige, go.
Go there, mommy. Show mommy, show mommy.
Struggle is real, you guys.
Wow.
Alright,
Okay, well done, guys. Yes. Ang clothes sila ko kayo. Si Papa yun.
Mas ito ni Black diri ah. Ay, sige.
Oh, tawagin yung picture lang. Wait.
Ganyan naman yung labas na konti. Ganyan, labas na konti. Yan.
Look. Ay, smile. I need to do like that, anak. Let's look at her. Funny face. Good
Kuya,
job.
dito lang kuya.
Closer with mommy, Kahil. Closer with mom.
Okay. Baby.
Ate, donkey.
Tabangin yung pakatawa. Dapat pa-flex mo si Miyong. Kuya lang, mag-change pa mag-post.
Okay,
Calvi, look
One.
here first.
1,000 years later.
ready.
Smile, babe, for more surprise. Good.
Ready, 1, 2.
Don't cover your face. Down. Cheers. Cheers. Chica!
Relax, just relax.
Calvi,
Closer to mommy, Calvi.
yeah, go. Hug mommy, hug mommy.
Hug mommy.
Hug mommy. Good
Smile,
job.
smile.
Waki, waki.
If you do a good job, you will sleep in my house, okay?
Alright.
Kumana ba yung manasa? Ano siya sila, ha? Kumana, kompleto sila. Smile.
Ulitan ng source loan niya.
Wala siya, no?
Tama na dire. Ano na po na siya ka? Story.
Huwag lang masyado. Yan, yan. Ready, 1, 2.
Kaya po din, ilis na to. May ilis ka pa?
Baby, nangyap ko na dito. Wala ka ng wine. Ma'am, ice. Sige. Tapos tingin daw sa inyong baby box. Yan. Wala ko ng stay lang. Medyo chin up mo.
Oo, burger pa kaduko.
Yan. Last one. Alright. Wala kayo tapag nga, no?
Dapat napa ko isa
Kuya na lang mo.
pagsuon.
Dapat si Kuya.
Ah, si Kahil.
Sige, ato lang ma'am. Sit down.
Pwede ba di kompleto?
Okay.
Anak ko.
Ready, last na here. Sana ay straight. Alright. Look at here.
Can you please move a little bit? Yeah? Move
Forward.
Move forward.
Your face move forward.
Just your face.
Your face lang. No. Not too much na. Okay, yan.
Alright. Look at here.
Hug mommy, hug mommy.
Hug mommy, hug mommy, hug mommy.
My mommy. My mom.
Okay, nagtalikod. Alright. Tingin ma'am.
Oy. Alright guys, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Nakailang shots na pala tayo in just 15 minutes. Yahoo! Para feeling ko mapupunit yung damit ko kanina. Pero meron pa tayong isang shot, which is the plain shot. Kanina kasi meron yung background na Christmas. So hindi ko lang alam guys anong itsura ng mga bata. Doon kasi si Chico kusamod si Chico the whole time. Sana maganda ang kalabasan kasi ilalagay ko to sa bagong bahay. Bagong bahay, bagong picture. Kanya-kanya kami ng document dito. Really? Hi! Did you smile in the picture? Did you? Okay, high five, Mama. Good boy. Did you smile in the picture, Chico? Did you smile? Yahoo! Yeah. Let me see how you look. Wow. Wow, Chico, so handsome. Did you smile?
I eat it all.
You eat it all. Okay, give me a kiss now. Kiss Mama. Kiss Mama. Kiss Mama. Bobby, where's Mama's kiss? Mama's kiss. Kahil, can you give Mama a kiss too? Come. Your brother gave me one. Ayan. Love you. Mama.
The wizard.
Yes, coming. Yes.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, sa wakas at natapos din ang aming family portrait day na talagang na-stress ako ng mga isang week dahil kakahanap ngayon pa talaga naglagay ng plema kakahanap ng susuotin. So, after all, nakita niyo sa photo, I settled with sage green and also ang ating apricot, which turned out, for me ay maganda naman, goods naman. Marami akong na-realize for today's family portrait. Unang-una doon ay sobrang hirap pala guys na pinagsabay-sabay namin lahat ng pamilya naming magkakapatid. Parang mag-boycott yung photo studio. Ang ingay-ingay namin, ang dami-dami namin. Sabi ko, bakit ba kasi nagsabay kami lahat pumunta ng photo studio na pwede naman kaming magpunta per family? Siguro dahil sobra na naming daming iniisip namin para isahang shoot na lang. Pero hindi, I think it did more harm than good. Kasi ang mga bata hindi makapag-concentrate, may iyakan, may takbuhan, may laruan, may tawanan. And then, ang ingay, sobrang ingay kasi sa preparation, parang feeling mo sobrang hassle, stress. So yun, kapag marami kayong magkakapatid and you want to take photo per family, your own family, mas maganda na you will choose your own day and schedule para peaceful siya. Pag binigyan kayo ng 30 minutes to take photo, it's really going to be your peaceful time to take photos, and then it will turn out maybe a lot better compared sa kapag sabay kayo. Kasi kami magkakapatid, we took photos as immediate family, magkakapatid, and then we took photos of each of our family. So meron na kaming, 3 kaming merong pamilya. So imagine guys, sobrang ingay, sobrang gulo. But anyway, for me, I feel like it is another learning point. It's another experience. Alam ko hindi pa naiintindihan ni Chico at ni Kulot ang mga nangyayari at sobrang hirap nila talagang makuna ng picture. Pero hindi naman ako nag-expect talaga dahil sa kanilang edad. But Kuya Kahil understood the assignment. Like I said, I really wanted to do this kasi Kuya Kahil is here, and also I wanted to use the photo para maging first portrait namin sa aming bagong bahay na hindi pa bayad. Ayun. Excited ako kasi ngayon daw nila i-release yung final output. Ngayon, about naman sa pagkukuha ng photo as a single nanay, I never had a portrait. We never had a portrait na kompleto kami. That's for one, during the time that I was married. To be honest with you guys, I always wanted to have a portrait photo. Syempre, feeling ko I am extremely proud of my family and my children. And I really wanted to have that in a frame. Pero sometimes kasi couples are not on the same page. And that was one of my struggle. Kung ano yung gusto ko, hindi nasusunod dahil nagre-refuse yung isa. So, for me now na I am already truly and confirmed separated, though hindi pa man kami nag-divorce dahil hindi pa kayang pirmahan ng kabilang side. For me, in my heart, emotionally and mentally, I already accepted. This family photo gave me a new perspective na I am already okay. I am ready, and I feel complete regardless na hindi man nakapasa sa standard ng ibang tao yung family portrait ko. Once again, you guys, I want to tell you that being a single mother, you should not be ashamed of that. You can take photos like how other family take their photos. It gave me a new perspective, and it made me realize few things. It made me realize na I want this, I like this better kasi for me, looking at my children and looking at myself gives me more peace than what I had before, to be honest with you guys. And for me, at this age of 34, mental peace is my greatest priority. Why mental peace? Some people might think no na that is selfish kasi it's for yourself. Actually, it's not. If someone has a mental peace, lalong-lalo na kapag nanay ka, it will spread sa mga anak mo. It will spread sa mga kapamilya mo. It will spread sa tahanan mo. So for me, mental peace is a must. Okay? And if the only way for me to have a very healthy mental peace once again is to live as a single mom and to accept the fact that you cannot fix everything, then so be it. Alright? Para sa akin, enough na. We are enough. Enough na yung mga anak ko, enough na eto, and enough na yung sarili ko. It's good to know that I am not expecting anything from anybody else. I am not expecting anything from anyone because finally I came to realize na we are never going to be the priority. I am not going to be the priority, regardless. So, if that's the case, I'd rather be on my own and I'd rather give my attention and my love for my children. So, yun yung aking stand as a single mother. I am proud and I am very happy na magkuha ng family portrait namin. I will never be ashamed. In fact, you know that talagang dinodocument ko lahat ng mga challenges, halos lahat ng mga challenges at kwento-kwento ng aming buhay, lalong-lalo na ngayon na meron na kaming bagong Facebook page na 4 at ako na nagpapakita ng bahay, ng buhay ko as single nanay sa aking 4 or magiging 4 na kulot. Once again, you guys, my children are half African, half Filipino. I was married for 5 years and unfortunately it did not work out, and now I am a single mother of 4. So, ayun na nga guys. Once again, it has been a very hectic but successful day. At least natapos na. Shoutout nga pala sa Figures Collection Dress Shop. Diyan po ako nagrenta ng aking damit for this portrait. And they are located sa Barangay West. Hanapin nyo na lang po. Nandyan sila sa ating GPS sa Google Maps. Ayan. Figures Collection Dress Shop, General Santos City. Maraming salamat. Hindi po ito sponsored, but I am going to shout out local businesses because that's how we can support our fellow maliliit na mga negosyante. Ayun, maliliit na mga negosyo, benta-benta, hanap buhay. Saludo po ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Kasi ayokong isipin ng iba na sinashout out ko sila dahil libre, dahil ganito, ganyan. Hindi po. The service that I got from Figures Collections Dress Shop was really good. Maraming salamat sa pag-accommodate ninyo and pagtulong para makapili ako ng dress. I really did love the dress so much. Alam ko maraming gustong na pink yung suotin ko, pero I really wanted to have that green on me. Ayun. Other than that, shout out din sa Dreamlight Jensen for taking our photos. I'm so excited to see. Of course, i-share ko sa inyo guys yung aming final result. Shout out na rin pala sa lahat ng aking family at mga kapatid who are very extremely supportive of my life and my children, who loves me and my children sincerely. Of course, from the eldest sister, i-shout out ko na rin yan, Sheena Pareño, sa aking next na sister, Riza Daan, sa aking ikatatlo, sa aking sarili, ikaapat, sa aking kapatid na sobrang negosyante, Glory Jane Pareño, sumunod naman si Georgine Pareño, and then of course, Georgie Pareño, maraming salamat sa luck ng hikaw mo, nakahikaw ako dahil sa iyo. And of course, sa dalawang kapatid kong lalaki, kay Freebie Pareño at James Keith Pareño. Siyempre, hindi natin makakalimutan i-shoutout ang aking nanay, Dina Pareño. Maraming salamat, ma, dahil binigyan mo ako ng maraming kapatid. Kung wala akong kapatid, ma, boring yung buhay ko ngayon. Hindi ko ma-imagine na ako lang isa o dalawa lang kami, ma. Maraming salamat, mama. Love you. And of course, kay Auntie Christine, who will not be everything will not be possible for me kung wala siya. So once again, you guys, maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa episode na to at sana meron ulit kayong natutunan. Sana na-inspire ko kayo, na-educate ko kayo, at na-entertain ko kayo in any way. Once again, guys, we love you so much and we'll see you on the next episode. Much love from the Yigas.